So, hi, dear Scorpio. Very, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a no contact reading for all the Scorpio Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 27th of January till the 2nd of Feb. The roles can be reversed also. The action can be from your side also, not resonating, not your story. Want to be a reader like me? Purchase my course. Link is in the description box for the same. Want to like have personal readings or healing sessions? Check out the description box below. You will get the links for the best healing modality of the whole universe. Ho'oponopono masterclass link is given below. So let's start. The person that you are no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment are Scorpio. We have the Six of Swords, the Knight of Cups, and the Eight of Swords. So, okay, the more they are moving on from the situation, the more they're realizing they should at least apologize to you. They should at least give you a proper closure. But at the same time, they feel too much in mental jail kind of a situation where they feel they can't do anything about it. It's a messed up situation where even if they feel from time to time they should at least talk to you, they should at least apologize or sort it out with you in some way. They are in this mental trap that it's impossible, it's done, it's gone, they should just keep moving ahead. So they are trapped between their heart and their mind, where their mind is overtaking the situation and they're literally forcing themselves to move on and not to even look back, even if they feel it from time to time, to look back and say something or do something about it between you and them. Right. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Ace of Swords and the Five of Swords. Then protect themselves, protect their ego at any cost, find their own inner peace, be in their own truth, and protect themselves from being hurt or being used again in this lifetime. Ever means ever. Hmm? Right now, I'm telling you, this person is operating with their mind only. The heart is nowhere to be seen. Whenever the poor heart is trying to pop up, they are suppressing it. Right now, they want to make sure that whatever they are doing is the right thing, and they're just protecting themselves. They're protecting, it's not like intentionally they're protecting their ego or something. Intentionally, their intention is to just to protect themselves from being hurt and find their own inner peace. But it seems like that their ego, or you can say their mind, is continuously telling them what to do, and they're listening to that mind, and they want to actually, they don't want to listen to their heart at all. 0%. Okay, let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 2nd of Feb. We have the Page of Wands, the Tower, and the Three of Wands. See, they are going to get this sudden, they're going to wait for some time, they're going to wait for something to happen, I don't know, and then suddenly out of the blue this person is going to end up texting you or calling you, and that then this texting or calling is not going to go anywhere, because this is something that's coming out of an impulsive kind of decision or impulsive kind of energy. Let's say something triggered something in me. Let's say we used to drink a lot of tea with each other, and then they are going somewhere and they are having the same kind of tea or something, and then they end up texting you or calling you, and then boom, nothing. Yeah, so it's like something in them is going to get triggered, and they're going to end up calling you or texting you, but after that nothing. It's like maybe a missed call or something, or maybe simple hi hello text and nothing after that. Even if you are going to connect, they are going to not reply in a very positive way. So that's the deal here, Scorpio. Okay, let's see the guidance for you. The Ten of Swords. This is done, this is end, this is the dead end here. The more you are going to live in some kind of illusion or delusion, the more it's going to be harmful and hurtful for you only. The more you are going to stay in the reality check that this is done, this is gone, I have to move on, I have to get up and do my own thing, the more it's going to be easier for you to move on and live a peaceful life. Yeah, I don't think so I have to say anything more in the situation. It's done, it's over. And the universe clearly is mentioning it. Tell Scorpio not to wait for this person or for this energy to have their life on track. Be like, make your life on track first, and then make room for the new person, new energy that's actually good for you. I don't care if you're 90 or 95, doesn't matter. Yeah. So thank you so much for tuning in, Scorpio. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.